Today we're gonna show you how we achieved this look in 5 minutes
or more
using the Boxycharm
February box.
If you want to see,
keep on watching. Are you ready?
Let's begin. I'm not ready, but we're ready.
Let's do this. And I'm gonna start using from my Boxycharm box. We got these brushes from Glamier. I just already gave the shape. In case of anything, I'm just gonna make them darker.
Okay, so I have the Lavido Inspired by Nature. This is an age away hydrating cream. And then I have the Skin Essence.
So since this is gonna be quick, I'm just gonna use 2 colors and with 2 different brushes.
Oh, it's a toner. Sorry.
It's okay, keep talking.
I'm wasting time here. Why I didn't open this. Okay. Oh my god, nice and fresh. And then I'm gonna use the Lavido Age Away Hydrating Cream. Yes.
So here I have 2 colors in, and just for fun, I just might add 1 more because there's a lot of cute colors here. I'm gonna go in with Stargazing. So I have already fun on my lids, and I also have hiking. So now I'm gonna be using my Perfect primer. And it's a hydrating primer, so you already know what this is going. And just so I don't get my nails dirty, use a brush. So I'm just putting this all over my face. I'll put a little bit extra, or like just massage it in a little more.
Okay, I'm done. Eyes time. Ace Beauty, and this is called Nostalgia. Oh, I love the name. And I'm gonna do my favorite makeup look. I always go with the pinks. I'm gonna use this picnic color. The clock is ticking. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Amazing. How are you doing there?
I'm getting to my face, and then I like to finish my eyes after that. So
I usually like to talk more, but I mean, with this clock ticking, it makes it harder. Did you look at the clock?
Oh my god.
Okay, wait. So now I'm gonna use Trestique, and it has a duo. Yes, it's the Eye Duo Good Vibes Mascara and Eye Pencil. Oh my god. Flip to curl. Oh my god, this is so cool. I like this. Nice.
And now I'm on my last product. We have the same one that she just mentioned. I'm gonna go straight with the eyeliner. So the top looks like an eyeliner.
Did you mess up?
No, I looked at the time. No, I looked at the time. So I never actually ever curl my eyelashes, but this is
I just
definitely
love that it has
flip down to curl. So okay, cool.
Yeah.
So I usually do like a light coat on my top eye. Then I'm gonna add lashes, but the bottom.
We love. Okay. Yes. How did you? Where's the mascara?
Oh no. You said you were gonna help me, so I'm not helping you.
Wow. There.
She said with a lot of love.
You should give me like the example, like, you know, what's to be a good sister.
I only know as much as you tell me.
Oh wow. Blame it on me. Oh no!
This.
Oh my god.
Okay, and now I need glue. I'm gonna
You should glue my. You should put some glue on my lashes.
I should.
Yes.
And I could. But
And you
can't.
would. And you would.
So I shan't.
Wow.
Little V-Day poetry for her. Lash uno. Tick tock, tick tock. Tick tock.
I'm just letting you win. Just so you know.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
And done. Lashes, lips, and everything. Oh.
Wait, I still
You
have
look
some
fine
time.
like that. You look fine.
No,
You look fine.
I'm
She looks perfectly fine.
I'm baking. Okay,
She looks like that one part of White Chicks.
Oh
It's just a
my
little powder.
No way. I'm almost there. Almost there. And I'm usually giving my sister a hard time because she takes long, and I have to say, she's mastered the master me.
That's true. That's true.
Okay. I still have some seconds left. Hold on. Okay, so 5 minutes was too short for me. And this is what we came up. I came up with. You did a good job, Cece.
Thank you. I really tried.
So this is the final look. How do we like it? Don't forget. Yes, I love it.
I love how this came out.
I know.
All the colors, everything came out.
I'm obsessed with Boxycharm.
Awesome.
Always good quality products. So don't forget to subscribe to Boxycharm's channel.
And our channels.
Of course, you have to if you want to get to know us better. We're going to be leaving all the information in the description box.
Down below.
And I hope to see you guys soon.
We had so much fun.
Bye!